Writing Dates Part 1. Today we will learn how to write date in two different formats.
Mummy, teacher has given us the date sheet for the exam.
So when are your exams starting?
I don't know.
Why? You have the date sheet, right?
Yes, I do, but I can't understand anything that teacher has written in it.
Why can't you understand? Show it to me.
Look at this.
It's correct. What are you not able to understand in this?
I have understood which subjects exam we have, but not understood when the exam is.
The date is written right next to the subject.
These are just some numbers. Ma'am taught us to write like this. This time I don't understand what ma'am has written here.
Ayushman, this is another method to write a date. I'll explain you. You write your date of birth on this paper.
6 May 2008.
I'll show you how to write your date of birth in a different format.
Okay, show me.
Here, the date is 6, the month is May, and the year is 2008.
Yes.
Now see, in the other format, we will write the date as it is, and we will write the month in terms of number. How will we write the month in terms of number? A year starts from the month of January. Therefore, January is 1, February is 2, and it goes on in a similar manner until December, which is written as 12.
Okay, so May will be written as 5.
Yes, because May is the 5th month in a year.
So this date will be written like this. 6, 5.
Now you have to write only the year.
That is very easy. The year is written in numbers. So this date will be written as 6, 5, 2008.
You are right, Ayushman. Now you will be able to understand the dates on your date sheet. Try it.
Okay, first exam on 25/9/2019. So the date and year will be written as it is. And the month is 9, so this means it is September. So the date is 25 September 2019. You have written it right, Ayushman. Now tell me, when is the last exam? Last exam is on 5/10/2019. The 10th month is October. That means on 5 October 2019, we have our last exam. See, isn't it easy? Now you have learned to write a date in two formats.
Today we learned how to write date in two different formats. Writing Dates Part 2. Today we will learn how to write date in two different formats.
Ayushman, will you help me with some work?
Yes, Mummy, I will. Tell me, what do I have to do?
This is the calendar of your school for the next 3 months. The holidays are marked red in the calendar. Can you note down all the holidays on a paper?
Why, Mummy?
Because from now on, every holiday, we will go on an outing.
It will be so much fun.
Yes, but we must plan in advance to have fun.
Yes, that's true.
That is why I need a list of all the school holidays. And then I will write where we can go next to them. So note down all the dates on the paper and get it.
Okay, Mummy. Oh, this calendar shows January, February and March months. The first date marked red is 15 January. So I will write 15 January 2020. Oh, Mummy did not mention in which format the date has to be written. Okay, let me write it in both the formats. January is the first month. We can also write it like this: 15/1/2020. The next date is 26th January, which is in red color. As per the first format, it will be written as 26th January 2020, and in the second format 26/1/2020. The next date which is marked red is, oh, there are no more dates in January marked red. So I'll now check February. There is only one holiday in February on 21. So I'll write it in the first format, 21 February 2020. And now I will write it in the second format, 21/1/2020. Oh, it seems wrong. The date above this is 26/1/2020. So the one below that can't be smaller than this. Oh, this is a date in February. And February is the second month, which means the date will be 21/2/2020. Now let's go to the March calendar, which is the third month. Wow, there are 2 holidays in March, 9th March and 10th March. I will write both the dates in the first format, 9th March 2020 and 10th March 2020. In the second format, we will write these dates as 9/3/2020 and 10/3/2020. I have made the list. Now I will go and show it to Mummy. Mummy, I have made the list.
Show me. You have written it all right, Ayushman, but why did you write it in 2 formats?
You did not tell me which format you wanted the dates in, so I wrote it in both formats.
You did a good job. Now I'll plan an outing on these dates. Then I'll let you know. Now you can go and play.
Okay, Mummy.
Today, Ayushman wrote the dates of the calendar in 2 different formats. You can also take a calendar and make a list of holidays.